Is your Blogger layout feeling a little basic? Today, I'm showing you 3 quick code hacks to upgrade your main blog widget. Let's go. First, let's fix the date. By default, Blogger shows when you wrote the post, but if you update it later, nobody knows. You can actually display the last updated date by using this specific tag in your HTML, data.post.lastupdated. Now your readers will know your content is fresh. Second, let's talk about you, the author. Sometimes themes hide your profile picture or link. You can force them to show up by using the author.name, profile URL, and author photo tags directly in the widget code. Finally, the best trick, controlling post counts. If you want a clean homepage with only 5 posts, but you want your older posts page to show 20 at a time, you can do that. Set your main settings to 5. Then, in your theme code, look for the next page link and add params max results 20. This cheats the system so users see more posts only when they dig deeper. If this saved you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Blogger tips. Thanks for watching.